good, everybody? I'm just moving my videos to a whole different spot on the YouTube platform. I didn't put them in the front of my home dashboard. I put it somewhere else. So I'm gonna just move it around to the home dashboard. What's good, Lion family? If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. What it do, my Lion? Hey man, let's get it. Like I promised y'all yesterday, man. Gonna do go to the boat race, man. Shoot. With it. I'm with it. Let's go, man. Hope y'all having a wonderful, beautiful, magnificent day today, man. It just show you how excited I am for this. This is my little first little boat race I'm going to, man. So I'm excited, man. Excited. Let's get it. Let's go. You know, I ain't gonna do too much talking. We just go get there. With that being said, see y'all when I get there, man. What's good, y'all? Man, my here, man. That's pretty packed out. You ain't finna lie to you. Look at all that, bro. All that. Man, anyway, just made it here, man. Let's see. They had this boat race or whatever it is talking about. If it ain't lit, I'm leaving quick. Oh, thank you for letting me able to go around, but yeah. So let's see. We're trying to find out for parking. But we're in our privileges. Nah, my bad. I'm trying to find parking and stuff. Trying to figure some stuff out. It's hard finding parking, I see. They got all this complicated stuff with parking the grass and all this other dumb shit. Anyway, man, I'm gonna see y'all at the race, alright? Love y'all. What's good? What's good? We made it, man. Shoot. I still feel good from that massage I had got. You know, she wasn't as hard as he needed to be, you know. It's my other one I go to. I think her hand messed up or something. I don't know. But how you doing? How you doing? Good. Y'all try to get in?
Yes. So I gotta go over that great trailer to get our tickets.
Oh, that great trailer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you. I ain't know where to go. Anyway. Yeah, so I'm glad it's got that out the way. Cause I work out 4 times a week. I used to do 5, but I just kept getting sore and injured and stuff, and I'm not able to do nothing. You know, I don't get enough rest time, so it's kind of like I don't like that. You know, want to work, doing the work and shit, and be all sore as hell. You know what I'm saying? Like you trying to get to doing something, you like, oh, that shit hurt, especially like in your back or like in your legs or something. Nah, even in the back of your arm right here, your triceps. Nah, it's a done deal for me. You know, shit is hot. I feel like the devil blew his goddamn breath. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so ghetto. Look at this. Ain't no doors. What the hell is this? Let's pay it. How y'all doing? Oh, I'm trying to get the ticket for the boat race.
Okay, do you want one just for today or for all weekend? For the today and tomorrow?
Now I'm gonna do one just for today.
Okay, do you want pit passes too? Which you can go down where the boats are when they they get launched off with the drivers and stuff.
Lunch hour with the drivers?
Yeah, you can talk to the drivers and everything. It's $10 more, or it's 20 with just to get in, and then 30 with the pass.
Oh, like is that like when I go in and get on the boat with the drivers or something?
No, you can just look at them and stuff.
Look at them?
Yeah, you can go in the water with them and everything, but you can't ride them or anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you want the pass or no? No.
Hold on. Hey, be right back, y'all. Yeah, y'all, sorry about that, man. It's hot as hell out here. All this shit up here. Man, all that pathway. You get to be in the water and shit. I probably would be in that water. I ain't got my shirt with me. Man, shit, it's kind of like it's a good little day today though. It's just hot as shit. But trying to find out what a race is, and then I just film the race and stuff. I'm trying to get y'all to see the main parts, y'all probably won't want to see my ugly face. But now I'm just playing. Talk shit. Hey, I love y'all, man. I really do. Even the new subscribers, my old people been with me. Hopefully this channel grows even bigger. Gotta be something great. People watching it for inspiration, type stuff rather than just something to just getting out the look, I don't know when this race started. I'm gonna find out, and I'm gonna let y'all guys know. Stay tuned. It's good, guys. It's good, man. It's good. Out here, finally got closer to where y'all can see the view as to what's going on. But look. Shit. How does damn firecracker out here? Oh. Jeez, man. I'm trying to see when the race starts, because the timing is kind of weird when it starts. They don't really tell when it's gonna start until people are loud, like you can't really hear them. So I'm just trying to see. So y'all stay tuned. What's good, y'all? My bad. I had to get me something to eat, man. I got hungry and stuff. You feel me? Look, shit day. But anyway, these fries and stuff. Look, I ain't gonna eat all of it. I get full a little quick, whatever. But I be just as hungry. But anyway, boat race started, man. I'm gonna show y'all watch. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Woo! I ain't gonna cap, man. I had a lot of fun. I'm sorry to wipe my camera, it was dusty. Anyway, I had a lot of fun out here, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. I want to go to Oregon, but depending on how I feel, I may do it. Just go out there, see what's out there and stuff. That being said, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. If you're new, and stay tuned to new videos that I post. All right, I gotta go, y'all. Seriously, I gotta go. Peace.